Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that.
From the start, we had a good experience. Our salesman, Steve James, was very knowledgeable, friendly, and took care of dealing with the insurance company and building permits. Anytime we had questions, Steve was quick to get back to us. Their crew was professional and cleaned up after themselves. The quality of the work met our expectations. We would recommend them.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.